Hi guys, this video shows you Gameloop best setting for low-end PC. So let's start. Step number 1. Step number 1 is to open search bar and type graphics setting. Once the graphics setting is visible, open it. And in the graphics setting, browse for Gameloop. It will be usually on the desktop. So open the Gameloop. And in its options, set it to high performance, as it will give you maximum performance there. So let's head on to step number 2. Step number 2 is to open run and type msconfig. Open the system configuration and in the set boot menu, click on advanced setting and allocate the maximum number of processors you have and then apply it. It will demand a restart, so you will have to restart it later. I will now exit without restart. Step number 3. Step number 3 is to search for advanced system setting. Once the advanced system setting is visible, open it. And in the advanced system setting, adjust for best performance instead of appearance. It will change your visual performance but will give you maximum. And in the setting, also set the virtual memory size. In the virtual memory size, I will give you the scale. According to this scale, you can set your virtual memory there. And that will give you extra memory and will boost your PC. And then apply it. Step number 4. It is to search for game mode in the search bar. Once the game mode is visible, open it. And in the game mode, make sure the game mode is switch on. Step number 5. Step number 5 is to right click on the Gameloop and open its properties, and in the compatibility, run this program as an administrator for Windows 8 and check the 2 options, and in the change high DPI setting, override it to system and make sure to apply the changes. And now open the Gameloop, and in the Gameloop you will have to change its setting. And in the setting, make sure to check the first 2 options here. And you can set the area anyone you want. It does not matter. And in the engine, make sure to check your graphic card specs on the Chrome and enable it according to it. And uncheck the first 2 options here. And check the other 2. And uncheck the other 3. And anti-aliasing should be off. And memory should be half of your memory size, means I will set it to 4092. And processor to number of processors you have. And resolution to 1280x720. And in the model, set the model to common Asus ROG 2. And this will give you the maximum performance of your Gameloop. Now, when the Gameloop is opened, you will have to check in the task manager whether its priority is high, or if its priority is not high, you will have to change its priority to high so that it will give you maximum performance on your PC. So this was all. I will not recommend you any optimization pack because I know it can ruin your PC's performance and does not have any effect at all. So this was all. Hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel for more tech videos and like the video. Thanks.